Hey guys, for those who like to do the sandblasting thing on your trucks, whatever, your bikes, trucks, or whatever the hell you want to clean. So this is the way you should set, that sandblasting tank, with. This is a nice air compressor which pumps 140 psi, 140, 150 straight. There's no need for it to wait, there's no need to wait, to pump more air or whatever, like the other small compressors. And then from here you connect your two lines, or one line, whatever, to your sandblasting tank, which is right there from Harbor Freight. We got that thing for 100 and something, 120, whatever it was, I don't remember. And this way you always have 100 or 90 psi or 110, whatever you need, to do the sandblasting. And this way you will never have to wait for the small compressor to pump your air or whatever. This is just like the way everything should be set up. A diesel compressor. You rent these machines for if you want to know the trick is you rent this machine on a Saturday, like at 10 p.m. and then they let you keep it, until Monday. So you rent it on Saturday, you pay half a day for it, like 80 bucks, and then you keep it on Saturday all day and Sunday all day for free, and then you return it on Monday. And I'm sure that's enough time for you to do whatever you have to do, and it's so easy.